What's up, winners? We're gonna do an unboxing of Meghan's very own As Ever box. I don't know if you can read or it gets backwards. We have from Her Royal Duchess, owner, female founder. From As Whatever. Check it out. We've got tissue paper. Normally there's tons of styrofoam. I got the special version that's not full of styrofoam. Wow, we have spread. I just can't wait.
Alright, I just keep pointing out how ridiculously stupid People magazine is. Meghan's surprise trick that she used. You could know tricks of the rich and famous. And she went on Duolingo. Wow, I'm so amazed. No one's ever done that. Wow. Does anyone actually read this, like, not as satire? Like, does anyone seriously pick up the People magazine article like, wow, Meghan kept up for her Paris trip by using Duolingo. Knowing Meghan, probably didn't even do it. She probably photoshops it. It's probably 10 days or one day she adds 2 zeros to it. No, let's say 10, she adds a 0 to it. Just totally embarrassing. And this is the Meghan. We need to find some videos of her speaking French or pretending to speak French. Because this is Meghan who claimed that she speaks fluent French. You don't go on Duolingo when you speak fluent a language. Let's check it out. I doubt that it doesn't even exist. Oh, let's see.
I really wanted to relearn French. I had studied it for the 4 years in high school, and then
a croissant and to play the song Going to the Chapel.
I really wanted...
To be fair, that's as good as Meghan's French speaking gets. Croissant.
I really wanted to relearn French. I had studied it for
4
years in high school, and then it just went well.
So you speak a lot of different languages, or just that?
I studied French for 8 years, and now it's deplorable. I can't remember anything, which is...
Yeah, but she used to say she spoke. Shout out to Paul. Let's pull this video. Alright, everybody. I will see you soon.